name is Srikant. I'm your course teacher for grammar and writing. Now, welcome all in this online classes. First of all, I would like to uh, congratulate all those candidates and the students who are opted for the grammar and writing. And here, learning to speak or write any language, including English, Marathi, Urdu, any language. There are four major aspects which we have to be focused on that. First one is listening. Second one, speaking. Third one, reading. And the fourth one is writing. आपण कोणतीही भाषा शिकत असताना सर्वप्रथम आपल्याला ऐकावं लागतं, त्यानंतर ते बोलावं लागतं. व्यवस्थित ऐकल्यानंतरच आपल्याला बोलता येतं आणि बोलल्यानंतर आपण जे वाचतोय ते केअरफुली वाचायला पाहिजे आणि केअरफुली वाचल्यानंतर लिहित असताना सुद्धा आपल्याला केअरफुली लिहावं लागतं. हे कारण हे जे काही फोर मेजर अस्पेक्ट्स आहेत हे कोणतीही लँग्वेज शिकण्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाचं मानलं जातं. This spoken English course has been designed by the taking all these four aspects of language learning into consideration. Means here I will focus on these four major aspects. This grammar and writing in English course is based on as a assumption that you have at least a rudimentary knowledge of English of the 12th standard level. Means whenever a child learn any language, first of all that child will listen everything and try to be understand this grammar which you have to be understand here. First of all you have to understand carefully, then try to be communicate, and it is like a 12th standard level. Means it is not very difficult for you to be understand and try to be write in English. According to entire syllabus of this course has been designed in a 5 units. म्हणजेच हा जो काही आपला सिलेबस आहे तो फक्त 5 टॉपिक मध्ये 5 युनिट मध्ये कव्हर केलेला आहे. All through the course you are going to watch live lectures, videos of your teacher and also of other eminent English scholars of English language. Means I will provide you the video lectures and the e-contents as well as the text to be understand that language, and here we will provide you the English scholar to improve your writing skill, and some e-contents, video, text lessons and the writing exercises which also will be taken in the classroom, and you will have to watch each of them and then either respond online through your own audio or video or text file. So whenever you will watch videos, lectures, e-contents, you have to be respond either in a video, textual or video, audio, video or textual. After each unit there will be your online written assessment to your test your progress. Means we will give at the end of the topic, I will give an assignment to you and I will try to find out whether you are going to be progress or not. If you are doing progress, then we will continue the next topic. Otherwise we will try to resolve your problem. And then basically while talking about the grammar, we have to be focused on the grammar and the background. In a background we will understand the first word class. In the background we will listen and understand word class in English. If you have difficulty in writing error-free English, you shouldn't feel embarrassed, because of some of the excellent teachers can do mistakes in their writings, as well as we can find the many of the scholars who are speaking fluently in English. Sometimes they get confused. sometimes they will not speak properly because it is a very different language as well as it is not our native language. Therefore, do not feel if you are not speaking fluently in English, you don't feel embarrassed because we are here to try to be resolve your problems and try to improve your confidence to speak in English. And here our goal is to write more smoothly and without any grammatical errors. Initially, it is good idea to understand the basics of all the writing language of the world. Learning to write in a proper English required at first had knowledge of its grammar. So in every language we can find the grammar. Without grammar, any language cannot be understand without the grammar. So in every language we can find the grammar. Basically in English also we have the grammar, and the English language writing begins with the knowledge and proper use of its word classes. So in a word class we can find the phrases, clauses as well as the many contents in a word class. So basically we will discuss these things in a next lecture also, but we are here to discuss the background and the introduction about the grammar. In the first step, we will understand English when you are not a native speaker of English language and the writer of that language. Even though you have to understand carefully, even though you have to listen and speak properly, and you have to use some of the words properly, some of the sentences used properly when you are writing in English language. And therefore this is certificate course has organized in English begun with the learning of word class through audio, video, text and the grammar exercises. So in this course we will discuss, we will evaluate, we will go through the audio, video or textual exercises. म्हणजे आपला जो काही कोर्स आहे त्यामध्ये आपण व्हिडिओज किंवा ऑडिओज किंवा टेक्स्ट जे काही आहे त्याद्वारे आपण हे कोर्स पूर्णपणे शिकणार आहोत. या कोर्समध्ये आपल्याला तिन्ही गोष्टींचा अनुभव भेटेल. त्याच्यामध्ये ऑफलाईन आहे, ऑनलाईन आहे आणि त्यामध्ये आपण टेक्स्टच्या माध्यमानं आपण जेव्हा एखादा व्हिडिओ आपण आपल्या एडवर्ड साईटवर जेव्हा आपण जातो ॲप्लिकेशनवर तेव्हा व्हिडिओज पाहतो. व्हिडिओज पाहिल्यानंतर आपल्याला त्याला रिप्लाय द्यायचा आहे, कारण तो फीडबॅक आम्हाला खूप महत्त्वाचा आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला फीडबॅकमध्ये तुम्ही व्हिडिओद्वारे किंवा ऑडिओद्वारे किंवा टेक्स्टद्वारे आम्हाला तुम्ही रिप्लाय देऊ शकता. आणि हा कोर्स जो काय आहे तो कोर्स शंकरनगर कॉलेज आणि आपलं शरदचंद्र महाविद्यालय या दोघांच्या सहयोगाने हा कोर्स चालू झालेला आहे. and everyone knows that I'm your course teacher, and basically I have given you the lesson to read and understand the word classes. Basically you have to be understand the basics of word class, and I'm going to be share this file with you because of you have to be put your names here and try to be write in a proper way your name, your qualification as well as the where you are living and others contents which I have mentioned here. So you will try to find it out and try to solve these questions. Thank you.